As the FDA steers ahead with the Pfizer COVID vaccine, other vaccine trials are still in the works. One of them is the Janssen Phase 3 clinical trial. But what is it like to actually participate in this study? Our Carice Jackman spoke with one community leader who took part in all of this. I think we're all so eager to know what it feels like, what happens. Carice, what did that person have to say?
Yeah, and that person is Yuri Kunze, the president and CEO of the Nashville Area Hispanic Chamber of Commerce. He talked about some of the side effects he experienced and also what he wants the Black and brown community to know who may be hesitant to take part in this trial and eventually take part in the vaccine.
Okay, you ready?
Taking a shot many never had, but one that could potentially save lives.
So I just wanted to be proactive, and if I'm going to speak about this to my community eventually, I'd like to know, I'd like to be informed, I'd like to tell what the process was.
1 week after taking part in the Janssen Phase 3 clinical trial, Kunze is feeling much better.
What is the process like? Tell us a little bit about the trial.
You know if you're going to get the vaccine or you're going to get placebo, which is saline, a solution. Well, apparently I get something because my side effects included fever, chills, and things that you normally get.
He'll admit he was a bit nervous. He took the vaccine at 10 in the morning. By 6 p.m., he had a fever of over 100 degrees, a side effect of the shot.
They give you an oximeter and also a thermometer, and I have something to check my blood pressure. So I did all of those things, and I reported immediately.
In 3 days, he felt like himself again.
Because it's mimicking the spike on the virus from a debilitated spike.
It is a one injection, which is a little bit different than Pfizer and Moderna.
Trial specialist Wendy Wynn at Vanderbilt says there are around 36,000 people currently enrolled in the Janssen trials across the country. They're looking to enroll 40,000, and they're in need of Black and brown participants.
We are always trying to reach those underrepresented communities because we want the trials to be a good representation of what our nation looks like.
It's one of the main reasons Kunze signed up.
If you are available and you trust science and believe that the people behind are really doing their best to bring a solution, I think we should all consider that.
And Kunze and Wynn both say, look, they understand, especially in the Black and brown community, there may be some hesitation. You ask a lot of people in the Black community, even my own family, they think of Henrietta Lacks, they think of the Tuskegee syphilis experiment, things that make them cautious about doing it. But, you know, Tracy, they say it's very important that every community member is represented in these trials and in this vaccine. Tracy?